In today's tutorial, we're going to build a journey to add contacts in iContact based on the new Typeform entries. So let's begin. For this, we have to select Typeform as our trigger. Now, choose New Form Response as trigger event. Then we have to select an existing connection. So I'm just going to click on Link Account to establish the connection. Next, now we have to choose an appropriate form ID. In steps, we have to create a new contact based on the Typeform data. Click on Simple Action and then select iContact. Next step is to choose Create Contact as Action. Now, I'm going to select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. You can establish a new connection as well as per your need. Next, choose appropriate account ID and client ID. You have to add email address from Typeform data tree. I'm going to add the first name and last name, data tree again. Then add contact. And at last, pick a status. That's it. We are ready with our journey. Now let me just save the changes and I'll start the journey. To check the output, let's go to Typeform. Let's fill in the details and click on Submit. Once you've submitted it, go back to your journey to check the output. As you can see, the journey has been executed successfully. Now let's go back to iContact and click on Contacts, choose all statuses. Voila! As you can see, a new contact has been added as per the received data. This way, you can build an automation journey to add contacts in iContact based on the new Typeform entries. I hope you liked this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.